And hello, here we are with the style identification exercise. This is only a small introduction. Let's see how much you know about different fashion styles. Okay, what is this style? You can recognize this style. This is the Aristo style. Opulence, embellishment, sophisticated woman. Soft and bright makeup with smoky eyes, clean and sober lines, focus on accessory, radical chic. You can recognize this style here. This is the Audrey Hepburn style. Simple elegance, the little black dress, 50s, sunglasses, capri pants. Of course, she's very well known about all her movies she did. Roman Holiday, Sabrina, My Fair Lady, and of course Breakfast at Tiffany. And of course, as you know, she was the muse of Hubert Givenchy. Let's proceed. You can recognize this style here. This of course is very easy. It's the biker style. Leather jacket, boots, skinny jeans, white t-shirt. Very rock. We can see how it looks on the fashion show, but we can see how it looks in the street. The opposite. You can recognize this style here. The boho chic. Folk trends, natural, individual, flowers, soft colors. Very, very romantic. Natural color palette, soft soul, delicate spirit. These are only few of the different fashion styles that our students will discover during our course. This seems something similar to the style before, but it is not so. It is a completely different style. It is the hippie style. Bell-bottom pants, headbands, ethnic charms, peace and love. We wait you in Milan to discover more about the different fashion styles, and not only.